Hi, welcome to my creation station. My name is Marla, and if you love crafting, then I love you. If you see something today that you like, I hope that you'll consider hitting that thumbs up button and the subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you 4 easy ways to make your own book stacks and customize them to fit your own decor. First book stack I'm going to create is for my craft room. So I'm using bright colored paints. They are acrylic paints, and it did take about 3 coats. And I did discover that I do like using chalk paint for these much better than acrylic paints, but it still took about 3 coats. Using my silhouette cutting machine, I made labels for the titles of the books. They were just words that I like or phrases that mean something to me. All of the books that I used for this video today, I got at our Habitat for Humanity Restore. All the books there are 25 cents a piece, and that's the cheapest that I've found of all of our thrift stores. Here's a look at how they turned out after I placed them in my craft room. Here's a look at another stack that I did using chalk paint, and the gold one I actually used spray paint. Again, using my silhouette machine, I cut out designer names to place on these books. And here is a set that I made for my daughter. If you are opposed to painting the actual book cover, you can also just paint the jacket of the book. I recommend using the other side of the book cover. I don't know why I used this side, but it still covered fine, and it did take about 3 coats of chalk paint. Another really easy way to cover your books is with scrapbook paper. I just cut these to fit, and I used painter's tape to adhere them inside the cover.
If we should ever falter, should we ever hang by a string, remember we have each other through all the seasons, through everything. Another way to cover your books would be with contact paper or some of Dollar Tree's sticky wallpaper, or even wrapping paper you could use. Here's one last look at all the ways that I created book stacks for my home. I hope that you saw something that you liked today, and I hope that it will inspire you to create your own book stacks. Thanks for watching, and as always, I wish you peace, health, and sunshine. Bye now. Still my everything. I never